Ready to bridge the gap between your stunning Figma designs and your powerful WordPress website? First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Navigate to Plugins, then click Add New here. We'll explore a popular method using a plugin. Search for a plugin like Figma to WordPress. Select a reliable option with good reviews, and hit Install Now, followed by Activate. This adds the Figma integration capabilities. Now head over to Figma and open the design you want to embed. Click the Share button in the top right corner and ensure the link sharing is set to anyone with the link can view. Next, choose the Embed option. This generates an HTML snippet for your design. Copy this code. It's your key to embedding the design. Back in WordPress, open the post or page where you want to embed the Figma design. Switch to the text editor. This is important because you'll be pasting code. Paste the Figma embed code into the desired location within the text area of your post or page. Switch back to the visual editor to preview your embedded Figma design. You should see a placeholder or the interactive prototype itself. Finally, update or publish your post or page and view your live WordPress website to see your Figma design seamlessly integrated. It's that simple. Now you can showcase your prototypes and designs directly on your site, boosting collaboration and presentation. Explore different plugins and embedding options to find the best fit for your workflow.